What if I told you that multiplying large numbers in your head can actually be faster than using a calculator? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you a secret trick that makes two-digit multiplication quick and easy. And the best part? Once you learn it, you will never forget it. Alright, let us begin with an example. Suppose we want to multiply 54 by 36. Step 1. Divide it into 4 parts like this. Now multiply this 5 with this 3. That gives you 15, and we write it here like this. Next, multiply this 4 with this 6. That gives you 24, and again write it here like this. Now multiply this 4 with this 3. That gives you 12, and this 5 with this 6. That gives you 30. Now add 12 plus 30, and you get 42. Write slightly to the side like this. And finally add these to get the answer, and we are done. You saw how simple that was. It may take a little longer to explain, but once you understand the process, you can do any two-digit multiplication easily. Let us try another example so it becomes even clearer. Suppose we want to multiply 43 by 22. Again, divide it into 4 parts, and multiply this 4 with this 2. That gives you 8. Now look, here we write it as 08 because in this step, we always want a two-digit number. Next, multiply this 3 with this 2. That gives you 6, which we again write as 06 here. Now multiply this 3 with this 2, which gives you 6, and this 4 with this 2, which gives 8. Add them together and you get 14. Write this slightly to the side as earlier. And finally add this to get 946, and that's our answer. Amazing, right? Let us try one more example. 76 multiplied by 97. Now you know the drill. Divide it into 4 parts, and multiply this 7 with this 9 to get 63. Write it here. Then multiply this 6 with this 7 to get 42, and write it here. Again multiply this 6 with this 9 to get 54, and this 7 with this 7 to get 49. Add these to get 103. Write that here. Now add these together, and you have your answer. Super fast, isn't it? Let us do another one to make it even clearer. 78 multiplied by 65. Divide it into 4 parts, and multiply this 7 with this 6 to get 42, and write it here. Next, multiply this 8 with this 5 to get 40, and write it here. Now multiply this 8 with this 6, which gives 48, and this 7 with this 5 to get 35. Add those two together to get 83, and write that here. Finally add everything together, and you get 5070, and that's our answer. Quick and fast, right? Let us do one more. 85 multiplied by 65. This time we will do it with lighting speed. 8 times 6 is 48. So write this here. 5 times 5 is 25. Write it here. Again, 5 times 6 is 30, and 8 times 5 is 40. Add those together to get 70, and write this here. Finally add everything up, and you have your answer. And just like that, you just learned a powerful shortcut to multiply numbers faster than most people can even open their calculator. At first, it might take a little practice, but once you get comfortable, you will be solving two-digit multiplication problems in seconds, and maybe even impressing your friends while you are at it. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions on screen, and drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who gets them right. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, do not forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending math tricks. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, I will come up with an amazing trick for three-digit multiplication soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.